Today I just wanted to cover a quick topic again on scam graphics cards, as I saw another one pop up and this one is pretty egregious, so let's have a look at what it is. So this one is for New Zealand and we use TradeMe, which is New Zealand's eBay, so I guess it's a little bit different from overseas. Now of course there are things to look out for when you're looking at a scam graphics card, and this one is pretty obvious. If you guys want to have a look at the other video that I made, I pretty much outlined what to look out for and how to keep yourself safe with buying a second-hand graphics card. Link is in the description. Let's have a look at this guy's listing. So yeah, you can see here it says RTX 4080 Super Founders Edition, excellent condition for 950 New Zealand dollars. That is extremely cheap. I'll put the converted price on screen into US dollars, but that is disturbingly cheap for 4080 Super. For 4080 Super, especially the FE model, you'd be expecting at least, I'd say at least 2,000 plus New Zealand dollars. So this is extremely low. Let's have a look at the photos. I mean, they look pretty good. Here, I mean, they're pretty detailed, you know, not looking anything very sus. I had to screenshot these early in the morning. You can see 5:34 in the morning. I was up pretty late today. So yeah, I mean, nothing too sus in the photos, but of course you can do the Google image search to check if it is actually real or not. I'd highly recommend you guys do that. So even put a GPU Z screenshot, and you can see as well that the latest drivers are June 24th, 2025. So not too sus. But the price is way too good to be true. Let's have a quick look in the questions and answers section. So this is where the seller can be asked questions and they'll respond. So we can see here one person has purchased this card before from him. Can you refund the other 4080 Super listing? I paid through Ping, which is basically like PayPal for TradeMe New Zealand. And why scam? It says, bro, I don't think you really want to buy. You didn't pay anything before. Your first transaction was cancelled. If you want to buy, pay via Ping. It comes with a box and everything. The person again responds with, your Fujifilm photos ripped off an eBay listing, ? Obviously you've compromised someone's account as you've put a tracking number on the listing, lol. I didn't see a tracking number on the listing, but that's probably what that person saw. All good, that's what Ping is for, buyer protection. And then he responds with PM. Maybe PM like private message, I'd assume, but they make a good point here. What is his other listings? The Fujifilm listing, what is that? So I went on his profile, I checked it out, and he has 94.7% positive feedback. We have one feedback from one member that said, this guy has a compromised account. Please be aware he is scamming. And if you have a look at the rest of the feedback, he only has feedback from buying, as far as I can remember. He didn't have any feedback from any selling activity. So that's another major red flag there. This is the first time he's selling anything, and he's selling really high value electronic goods. So yeah, bit sus there. I mean, feedback is a little bit low, but it's because of that one bad feedback from the person who got scammed. I really hope you didn't get scammed. I hope TradeMe just refunded you the money via Ping and that you did not do bank account transfer. So let's have a look here at his Fujifilm listings. I took a screenshot of it and I just did a quick Google image search, and we found, yeah, it seems to have come from the internet. I'm not sure what website this is, but it did match for something there. I couldn't find any matches for the other photos, but it's probably likely that it is being a ripped off photo as well. I mean, the price is way good to be true. And he has another listing as well. So this is an RTX 5090 and a FE model as well for 2,590 New Zealand dollars. Let me just give you guys a quick look at what the current pricing is for a 5090. Non-FE models. Let's go and price by New Zealand. So I just did a quick search here, and we can see the cheapest is 4546. So yeah, disturbingly cheap. And I mean, this one's pretty obvious, guys. It's way too cheap for the price. I mean, there's no way you could get that unless it's like stolen or something. I don't know, but I think, of course, this is a scam. This account is more than likely being compromised. And just another one, he had an RTX 4090 as well for $1,600. I mean, come on. that is crazy low. So he had 3 graphics card listings and a listing for a camera, a Fujifilm X100V, I believe, for really low prices. That camera is really sought after, and so are these 3 graphics cards. His buyer history was, his feedback history was just him buying the entire time. He's never sold anything, and he has 1 bad feedback. All of the other feedbacks are good, besides that one that says it's a scam. So it's very likely that his account had been compromised. I mean, either that or he just turned into a full scammer, but we'll give him the benefit of the doubt. I don't think that happened to him. You can see the 5090 photos as well. I mean, you can see another red flag here. No pickups. Free shipping in New Zealand. Would buyer protection. So it seems like he was trying to get people on the buyer protection thing with the ping payment, but I don't know how that would work in his favor. It's kind of weird. And as well, if you bank account transferred, you'd probably be in a bit of trouble, to be honest with you guys. So be very careful. There's another one on TradeMe I've seen, and we can see all of the listings have been removed now, and I believe the account is now suspended. So it's either that he just turned into a full-fledged scammer, which will give him the full benefit of the doubt and say his account got compromised. Let's just say his account got compromised. And I think, yeah, it's important to be aware of what's going on at the moment. So, last thing to add on here, the Fujifilm X100VI here, it did get sold, I believe. So whoever bought this, please, this is a scam. Do not bank transfer. It's really important that you guys keep yourself safe. So yeah, I really hope that this gets all sorted out. And it's kind of a short video today, just because I wanted to put it out because I saw it this morning and I was like, oh my god, this is pretty egregious. So had to make a video on it. We will have more stuff coming out soon, some cool sponsored content, and as well some other cool video ideas. So stay tuned for it. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!